Everything you thought you never were, nothing like you thought you could have been, but still you live inside of me. So tell me, how is that? You're the only one I wish I could forget, the only one I'd love to not forgive. And though you break my heart, you're the only one. And though there are times when I hate you, 'cause I can't erase the times that you hurt me and put tears on my face. And even now while I hate you, it pains me to see. I know I'll be there at the end of the day. I don't wanna be without you, babe. I don't want a broken heart. Don't wanna take a breath without you, babe. I don't wanna play that part. I know that I love you, but let me just say, I don't wanna love you in no kind of way. No, no, I don't want a broken heart. I don't wanna play a broken-hearted girl. No, no, no broken-hearted girl. I'm no broken-hearted girl. There's something that I feel I need to say. Up till now I've always been afraid that you would never come around, and still I wanna put this down. You say you've got the most respect for me. Sometimes I feel not deserving me.